Your PlayStation 5 shows PlayStation Network as online, but the store does not load. Friends list does not appear, and online features simply refuse to work. Frustrating, right? Do not worry. In this video, I will show you the real fixes for PS5 error WS-116521-6. Let's solve it step by step. Step 1. Check PlayStation Network server status. Sometimes the problem is not your console, it is the PlayStation servers. Open your phone or computer. Go to the official PlayStation Network status page. Check if services like account management, gaming and social, or PlayStation Store show any warning or outage. If you see a red or yellow icon, the issue is server side. In that case, you simply need to wait until Sony fixes it. If everything shows green, continue to the next step. Step 2. Restart your PlayStation 5. A simple restart often clears temporary network bugs. Press the PlayStation button, go to power. Wait until the console fully reboots. Then test PlayStation Network again. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Sometimes the console says you are online, but the connection is unstable. Go to settings, then go to network, then go to settings, then select test internet connection. Check these results carefully. Internet connection should say successful. PlayStation Network sign-in should say successful. If the speed is extremely low or unstable, restart your modem and router. Unplug the modem and router. Wait 30 seconds, plug them back in. Wait for the internet lights to stabilize, then test the connection again. Step 4. Switch between Wi-Fi and LAN connection. Many users reported this fix on Reddit and tech forums. If you are using Wi-Fi, try using a LAN cable. If you are using LAN, try Wi-Fi instead. Also try switching Wi-Fi bands. Connect to the network labeled 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Sometimes PSN services fail to load due to unstable Wi-Fi channels. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Incorrect DNS can prevent PSN services from loading. Go to settings, then go to network, then go to settings, then go to setup internet connection. Select your current network. Choose advanced settings. Set IP address settings to automatic. Set DHCP host name to do not specify. Set DNS settings to manual. Primary DNS type 8.8.8.8. Secondary DNS type 8.8.4.4. These are Google public DNS servers. They often improve PlayStation connectivity. Then reconnect and test PSN again. Step 6. Sign out and sign back into PSN. Sometimes authentication glitches cause this error. Go to settings, then go to users and accounts, then go to account, then select sign out. Restart your console. Then go back and sign in again using your PlayStation account. Step 7. Update system software. Outdated firmware can also trigger PSN service errors. Go to settings, then go to system, then go to system software, then select system software update. Install any available update. Restart the console after installation. Step 8. Rebuild PS5 database. This is an advanced but very effective fix. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely. Press and hold the power button. Release it after the second beep. Connect the controller using a USB cable. Select option 5, Rebuild database. This does not delete your games or saves. It only refreshes the system data. If you face any problem while trying these steps, comment below. I personally reply within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Stay confident, your PS5 problems always have a solution, and TechVibes is here to help you fix them.